alive. The midnight train leaves a thick black smoke. The phantoms are
trying to keep it restored and in mint condition. So I put this SPF 50 mud block on it. Keeps it in perfect condition. So when I go to resell it one day, what's up everybody? This is my 1999 Chevy Silverado with the Z71 package, LS motor, LS trim, 1500. Let's get into it. All right, so this truck right here has a 6-inch Pro Comp suspension lift, pretty old lift. But I'm gonna start off with we have the cross member right up front and the stabilizer bars here. They were painted blue at one point, but been through fucking 1,000 mud holes with this shit. Paint don't stay. Over here we got these Fox Racing stabilizer reservoir shocks right here for when I'm fucking flying around these damn corners and shit. Alright, so we're gonna go to the front of my truck right here. So I got the Amazon special 52-inch light bar at the top. Right here we got a 30-inch straight, also from Amazon. I got this grill set up right here. I'm not really fucking with it right now. I'm gonna switch it up soon. You know, custom grill emblems, America. We got the greatest racer of all time, Dale Earnhardt tag. Come around to the back. All right, so over here in the back, we're gonna start off with the thing that every truck needs, or it's just pointless. Your tailgate hatch to work. It's a fully functional. Obviously, bro, I've been putting in work. It's not clean. If you have a fucking clean bed, what the fuck you need a truck for, bro? So, right next to these light pods, we got this custom dent here. Also, another one over there. Crazy night in the woods. Got into a super bad spot, backed up, hit a tree, but we got out, so what's up, guys? I'm gonna show y'all the real reason why this truck's nickname is Stacking Blocks. Follow me. So as y'all can see, I got double blocks in the rear right here, and I'm one mud hole away, or one fucking stomp of the gas, to being squatted, living the squatted life, bro. I'm gonna get into the rim and tire setup. So I got the Cooper SCT Pro Discoverer mud terrains, 35 by 13.5 with a 20-inch fuel hostage rim. And we're gonna do the build test here. Shout out to Custom Offsets. We only got 5 today. We don't have, you know, a $100 bill or anything. But as you can see, we got a nice little lip there. If you want to come right here, you can see how far we got sticking out. I know we turned the wheel and everything. Hey, so when you're pretty much a Chevy owner and you got a lot of people jealous, you got people pulling up in Jeeps, wanting to talk to you and shit, talk shit. Lots of people trying to talk shit. For example, as of right now, look at this. Who the fuck is this guy? As you can see, we got the greatest racer ever, Dale Earnhardt tag right here on the front, because I got a 572 big block underneath this hood. I would show you, but everybody knows what a fucking 572 big block looks like, okay?
The bad bitch sitting white.
Like a child of the corn, I had a fucking attitude on the night I was born. I grew up running these roads until my feet turned black, and I